Is equipment breakdown coverage available for the equipment in my home? If a household appliance breaks, repair costs and related losses can quickly add up. But equipment breakdown may not be covered by homeowners and renters insurance. Luckily, New Jersey residents can add equipment breakdown coverage to their property insurance policies. If an electrical or mechanical malfunction causes direct physical damage to listed appliances, electronics, machines, or tools, this valuable add-on helps cover repairs and associated losses, such as spoiled food when a refrigerator breaks. Your insurance agent can help customize coverage to include the specific items in your home, such as air conditioning and heating systems, computers, water heaters, swimming pool filters, security systems, lawn care equipment, televisions, and dishwashers. When you schedule your items, be sure to include a detailed description. Keep your receipts, photos, serial numbers, and maintenance records. Once coverage is purchased, new equipment is usually covered for a grace period of 30 to 90 days, but you'll need to report the purchase before that grace period expires. Equipment breakdown coverage includes a lot that can go wrong with your equipment, but some events may be excluded. Be sure to review your policy details. To learn more and compare quotes from multiple carriers, get in touch with your local Trusted Choice independent insurance agent. Be independent. Go independent.